Want to move money from Clearpay to Revolut but hitting a brick wall? Let's break down the workarounds. First, let's be clear, Clearpay and Revolut don't directly talk to each other. No direct transfer option exists. This means we need to get creative. Step 1. Check if you've added a bank card to your Clearpay account. Most likely it's already set up for repayments. We'll use this card. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Money section in your Revolut app. This is usually found on your main account screen. Tap on Add Money. Step 3. Choose the option to add money using a debit or credit card. Select the card you have saved in Clearpay. Step 4. Carefully check the fees. Revolut might charge a small fee for adding money with the card, especially a credit card. Understand these costs before proceeding. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any potential limits and the fees we just mentioned. Confirm the transaction. Step 6. Double-check that all information is correct and utilize any two-factor authentication your Revolut setup requires for maximum security. Bonus tip: while not always the most efficient, you could explore third-party money transfer services that accept Clearpay payments and allow transfers to Revolut. Research fees and security carefully. And that's it. You've indirectly transferred funds from Clearpay to Revolut. Remember to always be mindful of fees and security when moving your money around.